So this is the Corsair RM850e fully modular 80 plus gold ATX power supply. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and overview of this 850 watt power supply. Now, of course, if you are interested in this unit or any of the components I'm using in my build, they're all linked below in the description, but let's go ahead and dive right into this Corsair RM850e. So again, this is the Corsair RM850e 850 watt power supply from the RME series. It's a fully modular ATX power supply. It's got the Cybernetics Gold certification, and it's also compliant with ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0. And Corsair says this product is compatible and ready for the latest 50 series GPUs from NVIDIA. And on the side here, it shows you everything included in the box, including the cables, and we'll go through that closer once we open this up. Let's have a look at the back of the box. So on the back here, there's a few things I want to point out. So again, this is fully modular with ATX 3.0 standard. It's got a low noise fan for quiet operation, 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors. So it's got good heat tolerance. It's got the modern standby support and 0 RPM fan mode. So when it doesn't need to be running the fan, it won't, keeping it nice and quiet. Now up here in the corner, it does have the 7-year Corsair guarantee. It's 80 plus gold. And if you're wondering about the size, it's 140 millimeters by 150 millimeters by 86 millimeters. So if you're into all the technical specs, you can pause it on all these charts and graphs and have a closer look. This is the 80 plus efficiency. We've got the fan noise level and the AC input and DC output rating for a total of 850 watts. And I'll also pop up all the main specifications here on the screen so you can have a closer look. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what comes in the box. So in the box, it came with this safety and compliance information, as well as some zap straps there for cable management. And there's also 4 mounting screws for mounting it in your PC case. And of course, we've got the power supply and all the cables. We'll have a closer look at the cables in a moment, but first we'll have a look at the power supply. It's got the Corsair logo here in the middle, and the cutouts for the fan are little triangles. That looks really slick. A black finish on here. And then this side, it says Corsair RM850e. On the back here, we've got our main power switch, so on and off, as well as where we would plug in our main power cable. This did come in the box as well, so that just plugs in right there. And then on this side, it also says Corsair RM850e. Now you might be wondering why that's upside down, whereas on this side, it's right side up. It all depends on how you're mounting this in your PC case. So if you're mounting it with the fan facing up, the Corsair logo will be correct when you look at it in your PC case. And if you're mounting it with the fan down, then the logo will be in the correct direction as well. And on the bottom, we've got some technical specs and of course the model number. And then on the back, we've got our connectors here. So again, you'll only use the cables that you need for your build. It's fully modular. So we've got our motherboard ports here. We've got 4 PCIe/CPU ports, and then 4 SATA/PATA ports right here. And it does say it's only designed for use with genuine Corsair Type 4 cable sets. So don't use cable sets that are not designed for this power supply. So let's have a quick look at all the cables that came in the box. Again, it did come with the main power supply cable. So that plugs into the wall, and then that plugs into the back of the power supply. And then of course it came with your 24-pin ATX cable. So this split side here plugs into your power supply, and then this side here plugs into your motherboard. It also has kind of a protective sleeve on it. So it came with 2 CPU cables, or EPS/ATX 12 volt cables. These are 8-pin, and these plug into your PCIe CPU, and these connect to your motherboard. Some motherboards will use 1, some will use 2, so you may need to use both of those. You'll also find 2 PCIe cables, and again, these plug in where it says PCIe CPU, and they're both a little bit different. So the one goes from the 8-pin to the 6+2. Some older graphics cards only use the 6-pin. You can push these together to get 8-pin, and some will use 2 connectors. This cable here goes from the 8-pin, and then it's daisy chained together, so you've got 2 connectors as well on it. Also included is a 12 volt high power cable. These are compatible with many ATX 3.0 power supplies, which is what this is, and many new high-end PCIe 5.0 GPUs. And this gets plugged into the PCIe CPU ports as well. There's also two SATA cables in the box. These plug into the SATA connectors here. These are slightly different. One has 3 SATA connectors on it, and one has 4. They're daisy chained together, so you can connect multiple devices off of one cable. These are typically used for things like hard drives, solid state drives, or even connecting your RGB lighting. And then the last cable is a peripheral cable, so it's got 4 connectors all daisy chained together, and that there plugs into our PATA port. And this is typically used for older floppy disk drives, hard drives, CD drives, and some older case fans. Most people probably won't be using this in their build. So again, this is the Corsair RM850e fully modular 80 plus gold power supply. Seems really well built. I'm really liking that sleek black color, and I think this would be a great option for most people doing a PC build. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this video gave you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.